From the late 1800s, they're actually used as forms for carbon mats that put leather and bone leather in the late 1800s. 40 of them, and then we started to put them in the side.
All right, we've got Oliver Aligar. He's the inaugural participant in the Lassiter Millhouse Artist in Residency program. Hello, Oliver. How are you today?
Hey, well, I'm pretty fine. Today we got a first exhibition in the Lassiter Millhouse. So since I came here, I think I made a big progress with my photography because there are a lot of people which I was collaborating with, and I guess we made a good job, and that's the way of the ripple effect, I guess. That's the whole point, and that's just the way it is.
Okay, now say something Slovakian.
Po slovensky, takže odkedy som v Severnej Karolíne, spravili sme veľký progres s mojimi priateľmi, celkovo aj s ľuďmi, ktorí tu pracujú. A máme tu dobrú prácu a to je cieľom ripple efektu, teda efektu šírenia pozitívnej energie. Ďakujem.